Hey, Captain. Do you have a minute?
I'm only captain when we're on duty. Just call me Roger.
Yes, sir, Captain. Sorry.
What do you want?
It's about Jonathan Richards, sir.
Don't tell me you're still on that whole kick. I thought I told you before, you're too close to the case. Just let it go and let us handle it.
It's not that, sir. It's just... I don't think he did it.
What are you talking about? All of the evidence points to him. Listen, I know this is hard for you, but you have to trust us. We know what we're doing.
I know. I'm not questioning that. It's just some of the guys, they're a bit...
Overzealous? Well, how would you feel? We take care of our own around here. Or have you forgotten that?
Well, can I at least be involved?
What, do you have a hard-on for him?
No, sir. It's just... nothing makes sense right now. It's too far out of character for him.
This department has rules. I'm sorry, but you're too close to the case. I can't let you get involved. How about this? If I hear any new information, I'll let you know.
That would be great, sir.
Good. Now stop worrying and go get a drink.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Roger.
You know, I am kind of glad you dropped by.
Really?
Yeah. I gotta move this table and pack up a few things. Me and the wife are moving.
All right. Where do you want me to start?